Hello captains, and welcome back to SkyRouteX. Fasten your seatbelts because today we're flying with GOL Linhas Aéreas on Flight G31014, connecting São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro. The amazing part? The entire flight lasts only 47 minutes. That's probably faster than waiting for your phone to finish a software update. Let's get ready for departure. Today's flight is operated by a Boeing 737-8EH, registration PR-GUB. The aircraft departs from São Paulo Congonhas Airport, CGH, and heads to Rio de Janeiro Santos Dumont Airport, SDU. Scheduled departure was 10:50, but the aircraft actually departed at 11:17, a delay of about 27 minutes. Despite the delay, the flight itself took only 47 minutes, landing safely at 12:04. Imagine this. You finally find the perfect movie to watch. Then the captain announces, "Ladies and gentlemen, we have started our descent." Or maybe you're still trying to connect to the onboard Wi-Fi. And suddenly, cabin crew, prepare for landing. That is speed. This route is one of Brazil's busiest domestic air corridors, linking the country's financial capital with one of its most famous tourist destinations. The Boeing 737-800 is perfectly suited for these short and frequent flights thanks to its efficiency, reliability, and passenger capacity. Santos Dumont Airport is famous for one of the world's most scenic approaches. On a clear day, passengers can enjoy breathtaking views of Guanabara Bay, Sugarloaf Mountain, and even Christ the Redeemer before landing. Definitely a window seat flight. Before we end this journey, remember this. An airplane never reaches its destination by staying parked at the gate. Life works the same way. Progress begins with a single step. Every delay teaches patience. Every challenge builds strength. Keep moving. Keep learning. Never stop believing. Because your greatest takeoff may still be ahead. Thank you for flying with SkyRouteX. If you enjoyed this flight, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.